What do the richest online marketers do differently? It's not as complicated as you might think. In fact, the biggest earners do just 3 things better than everyone else. They get more traffic, they generate more leads, and they make more commissions. What's really surprising is how they're doing it with just one simple tool. Can you guess what the tool is? Of course, it's an automated sales funnel. When a funnel is set up the right way, it drives traffic, leads, and commissions hands-free on complete autopilot. Now listen, I know it's nice to think that there's some big secret, a game-changing hack, or underground loophole. But there isn't. At the end of the day, all that matters is traffic, leads, and commissions. So having the perfect funnel that delivers all 3 of these things is absolutely critical. That's why we spent months developing, testing, and perfecting super funnels. Now, what makes super funnels better in every way to the cajillion other funnel options on the market is it generates 3 sources of traffic at the exact same time. So you get triple the firepower of a traditional funnel. See, the problem with most funnels is they focus exclusively on email leads. So you have to create and send follow-up messages to make sales, and that sucks, right? Email delivery and open rates have been dropping for years, and any marketer today that's counting on just email is basically screwed. Super Funnels automatically creates 3 traffic sources at once, of course including email, but also 2 sources that are even more powerful, for more than 3 times the potential profits. And don't worry, Super Funnels includes everything that you need to be up and running in minutes. It has done-for-you pages customizable for any campaign, built-in hosting with 0 monthly fees, and instant monetization with a game-changing triple attack. Now you might be thinking, how do you get free traffic to your super funnels? Because that's always the big problem, right? That's actually the easiest part, because we've included free traffic inside the system. Just use the built-in zero-cost traffic shown in the members area, then let the super funnel take over and triple that traffic instantly. We've seen real users get traffic, leads, and commissions within just minutes of setting up their first super funnel, without creating custom pages, paying for ads, or doing anything complicated at all. Super Funnels is actually easy. And think of the money that you're going to save when you can cancel your subscriptions to all those expensive page builders and funnel softwares. This replaces them all. Super Funnels is built to triple your passive income, and it's super beginner friendly. And right now it's on a launch special, which means that you can get it today for a low one-time price and 0 monthly fees, if you get it during the launch week. Below on this video, you're going to see more details on this page, including a fully transparent demo of the software, so you can see for yourself how it works and whether this can actually truly benefit you or your business. So it's decision time. Do you want a funnel that literally triples your passive income sources instantly and automates your business, or do you want to try and build something on your own? Either way, I hope you have an awesome day. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you inside the members area.